Welcome, automation enthusiasts. CRUD in programming sounds complicated, but it is just four simple operations you use every day. What is CRUD in Python? Today, I will explain CRUD in Python the easiest way possible. So, let's get started. CRUD is a set of actions. In programming, we perform operation. Imagine you have a toy box. Inside the box, you keep toy. CRUD is just four things you can do with your toy. C stands for create. Create means you add something in a box. Okay? You add a new toy in a box. Notice that a box here is represented as an image to help you understand. In real life, the box can be an application, a database, or a website. So, create means you add something new inside a box. Okay? For example, you can add a new user in your application. You can add a new product in your website. You can add new data in the database. In this case, we can add a new toy in a box. Create means you add something new inside. Okay? Perfect. Now we have R. R stands for read. Read means I look at what I have. For example, here we can look at the toy in the box. In real life, read means you see or get data from an application or a database or a website. Read means viewing data without changing it. Example, see user, read a profile, show product. In our case, look at the toy in the box. Okay? Perfect. Now we have you. You means I change it or update. Update means change something that already exists. Example, change a name, update an email, edit a product price. In our case here, update the color of our toy. Okay? Perfect. And the last operation is delete. D stands for delete. Delete means you remove data from an application, from a database, or a website. Delete means removing something permanently. Example, delete a user, remove a product in our database or our website, erase data. Here in this example, we remove toy from the box. Okay? Perfect. If you understand toy, you understand CRUD in Python. Now you understand CRUD. Add, loop, change, and remove data. But how do we do this for real in an application programming interface? If you want to see how this works for real, I have already made a full video where I show you how to create your own API in Python and use all CRUD operations step by step. You will find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you find it helpful. Thank you.